Hello my lovely crafters! Last time when I was making bedroom for my dolls, I found out that I forgot to add plants in the room. So let's fix this. In this project I will use printables from my blog MakePaperDolls.com, which you can download for free, link you will find in the description of this video, floral wire and paper. First we are going to do a snake plant. Cut the leaves and glue them together. Then carefully bend them in the middle. Next we make a flower pot. I roll a stripe of computer paper and secure the end with glue stick. Then I glue it on a piece of paper with hot glue. Allow it to dry and trim the ends. I want to add some more stripes of scrapbook paper for decorations. And then add a paper towel or napkin inside the pot. Take dark brown felt and cut it into stripes. Then cut the stripes into tiny squares to make soil for our pot. Cover the tissue with hot glue. Add the felt on top. Be very careful not to get burned. I always use a little bit more felt than I need just to give myself a little bit of a buffer. Before the glue completely dries, add the leaves. And I cut bottom side of some of the leaves to make them smaller and I add them one by one. When the glue dries, I cover the leaves with clear nail polish from both sides. Like this we can protect paper and also give a little bit of shine. Snake plant is done. Next plant we are going to make in another way. Fold the leaves in the center and glue both sides. Then cut each leaf. We need to curl it a little bit and carefully fold in the center of bottom side. Take a pot with napkins inside, add hot glue and felt for soil and carefully add leaves one by one. Then cover the leaves with clear nail polish from both sides. And we have another plant for our room. For next plant, cut the leaves one by one. Put floral wire in the center and glue two leaves together. Then cut the edges, and I decided to fix a little bit leaves, so I cut the bottom sides to make leaves more rounded shape. Then curl it to give nice look and cover with clear nail polish. To make a plant, I add a drop of hot glue on a piece of paper. And when glue dries a little bit, I start to add leaves one by one, making a plant shape. Then add some more hot glue to the base. And when the glue is completely dry, separate it from the paper. Next, I add more hot glue in the pot and add felt. And I add our leaves inside. We can add a little bit more hot glue and cover it with felt. So another one plant for our dolls is ready. Now it is time to make Monstera plant. I cut leaves one by one. Again, I add a floral wire between the leaves. Cover it with clear nail polish, then take a stripe of dark brown felt and make a tube. Put it inside the pot and add leaves between the layers of felt. Bigger leaves add in the center and smaller one to the edges. Then add hot glue on top and cover it with felt. One more plant goes in our collection. And the last one we're going to make almost in the same way. Cut the leaves, add floral wire in the middle and glue the other part of the leaf. Curl it a little bit, cover it with nail polish, add drop of hot glue on a piece of paper, add leaves, bigger leaves in the center and smaller on the edges. When the glue is completely dry, separate it from the paper, glue it in the pot with napkins, add more glue and add felt. Bird of Paradise plant is ready. And I want to add support for some of the plants. So I take a toothpick, paint it with brown marker and cut the edges. And glue it to the pot one by one. For this plant I added 4 pieces and here 3. Now it's time to add our plants to the room. I think they look nice here. I hope you enjoyed this video and if you did, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell so you won't miss any of my future crafting adventures. Make paper dolls with joy and I hope to see you in my next videos. Bye!